talk on the phone?
Can you say hi, Grammy?
Can you say hi to Grammy?
Can you say hello?
Say hi.
Hi. My name's Phil. Hi, Phil. Can you say hi, Grammy?
Say hi. You said hi to Nana earlier.
What have you been doing today?
Then can you say hi?
Can you hear me, Finn?
He's listening very closely, but he's not talking.
What did you do? Have you been a good boy? Grammy loves you.
Can you say Grammy? Then can you say Grammy?
Hello, Finn. What are you doing? Are you talking on the phone? Are you talking on the phone, Mr. Finn?
Can you say hi to Grammy?
Hi.
Can you say hi to
Hi.
Say hi, Grammy.
Hi,
Say
Grammy.
hi.
Hi, Mr. Finn. Hello. Hello.
Can you say hi? Can you say hi to
Hello.
Can you say hi to
Are you
Grammy?
there?
You say Grammy.
Is that Grammy? Say hi. You want Mommy to say hi? Mommy's saying hi. Uh-oh, you took the phone back.
Hi, Finn. Are you going to talk to me? Are you going to say something?
He's putting his hat on.
He wants to look good for you.
Oh, okay.
Can you say hi?
Hello. Hi, Finn.
Can I talk? Hello?
Hello.
Say hi, Grammy.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi, Grammy.
Can you say hi?
Hi. Hi, Finn.
Did you say hi?
Boy.
Good job.
Hi. Yeah. Hey, good boy.
Can you say Grammy?
Finn.
Can you say Grammy? Say hi, Grammy.
Will you tell me all about it?
Say hi, Grammy.
Tell me all about it, Finn. Is that right?
You say hi?
You done talking?
Hello?
You done talking?
What? Hi. Hi. What did you do today? Did you play with your toys?
You say hi to Grammy? Can you say hi to Grammy? Uh-oh, Grammy's talking to you. Here, Finn. Grammy's talking to you.
Hello?
Here it is.
What are you doing, Finn? Are you a good boy?
I think maybe
Is that
he's
right?
done.
Can you say
Hello?